scheduling your child's next haircut is easier than ever thanks to the new Pigtails Crewcuts app. When you download and sign into the app, you'll be able to set your salon, making it easy to keep track of your salon's hours, find the phone number, and pull all of your salon services and pricing. When booking an appointment, you'll be able to see when each stylist is available so you can book with them directly. The Pigtails Crewcuts app will keep track of all of your upcoming and previous appointments, so you don't have to remember who cut your child's hair or which service you need. It's all right there. Scheduling haircuts for your children or yourself has never been easier or faster. You can download the Pigtails Crewcuts app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store now. Download it today.